Magano?
May inaano ko. Kung dumami yung follower niya, hindi na ako pinapansin.
Ah, ganon?
Hindi na ako pinapansin.
Bigay nyo yung blue buff kay Pani para ano, kailangan ni Pani yun.
I will defend the Manyan Empire to the death.
Tulungan niyo si Pani sana sa blue buff, guys. Wala na, nandyan na. Diyan na yung isang Pani.
Sige, yung mamatay.
I will defend the Manyan Empire to the death.
Dora pala sila.
Initiate retreat.
Fight kasi damage nun eh, no? Malambot lang eh.
Lethal demons, you are doomed to perish.
Uy, teka, di ako nakatalon.
Blood. You have slain an enemy.
Sorry, di kita napuntahan
The
kaagad.
light shall be my
Okay lang, okay lang.
Dito yung Pani.
The Lord of Light stands with us. I will find you, my dear brother.
Basag na tong bot. Punta na ako dyan.
Abyssal demons, you are doomed to perish. Your team destroyed a turret.
Tap naman, basag tap.
Turtle resurrecting soon. The Lord of Light
Ang gawa nito.
has been slain. An enemy has been slain. The light shall be my sword. An ally has been slain.
Mid, 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 mid.
I will find you, my dear brother. For the people, I shall never back down. Request backup. An ally has slain the turtle.
O ito, try nyo. Try mo.
You have slain an enemy.
Basag na, basag na. Tara, mid. Mid, mid, mid.
The turret has been slain.
Logi, kasi nagagawan kami ng ano.
Nang bat. Oh, yung ano. Ito, ito, to. Oh. Ito, to, brad, oh.
You are doomed.
Patay na to.
An ally has been slain.
Sayang.
The light shall be my sword.
Basag, basag.
You destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Teka, andyan ako. Sana? Di makakatakbo yan, Brad. Teka. SS-an ko, ah. Ay, tangin na.
An ally has been slain.
Nakuha mo?
Okay na lang.
An enemy has been slain.
Ay, mali yung takbo ko. Retreat na. Ay, wag yung dyan magano.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. An ally has been slain.
So, yun.
Turtle resurrecting soon. Warriors, show your teeth.
Ano? Na-subscribe na kita, Lord, sa ano, YT channel. Sige, salamat, salamat, ano, Renz. Shoutout naman dyan, boss. Well, you know, what's up, Sean Kyle Guerrero. You know, happy Sunday ulit sa'yo. Happy Sunday, happy Saturday. Sorry, advance ako.
An ally has been slain.
Kaya guys, wala ako dyan. Musta ka na daw? Sabi, ano? Ni Pen. Teka, hindi ko kagad nakita yung ano. Pen lang malakas, di ba? Siyempre.
Your team destroyed a
Yan na.
turret. Shut down.
Nandito, nasa damuhan. Teka.
Turret has been destroyed.
Nasaan na? To. Sana? Saan nagpunta? Ba't nawala? Wala?
Our turret is under attack.
Dito, Lord. Nandito.
Brad, nawala. Nasaan?
Dadamuhan.
The Lord of Light
Kanina, nandun eh.
is with us.
Kita ko na doon kanina eh. Gay, huwag yung palagan. Yung Eudora, oh.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. You have slain an enemy.
Kulit mo, ha?
Yung buff na ni Panilot.
Oh, to. Nandito sila eh.
If you want peace,
Ito sila, oh. Nireset. Yan. Nice.
Banyan warriors, show your teeth.
Naglang bigla, Lord.
An ally has been slain. The light shall be my sword.
Uy, ha? Ang kulit mo, ha? Ayaw mo umalis. Sana?
You are doomed to perish.
Buti na kayo yung bot natin.
Our
Shit.
turret
Pabayaan.
has been destroyed.
Push tayo, ha?
The enemy has slain the turtle. I will find you, my
Mid,
dear.
patay na din.
Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
Hindi makakatakbo to, Brad!
Killing spree.
Tara. Tap.
The light shall be my sword.
Sila makaporma eh. Hindi mo kayo inaano, pinapatay niyo ako. Teka. Mababasag na naman tong top natin.
An ally has
Ka lang. Time first. Wala ako dyan. Sabig nyo lahat. Dyan ako, dyan ako.
Down. Enemy double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Nangyari.
Enemy killing spree. Empire to the death. Shut down. You have been
Kulit mo ha. Nando sa bush oh.
Hindi yung buff. Yung buff nila, kunin mo.
Oo nga eh.
Naka-retry naman yung remake. Hindi na ako abot eh.
Wala na, nakuha na yan. Kinukuha na.
Ending soon. Request backup. You are doomed to perish.
Uy, ginagawa ng Kimi.
I will find you, my dear brother. An ally has been slain.
Takbo! Kulit ka ah.
Akin to, ma'am.
Our turret is under attack.
Uy! Nandiyan brad ah. Ay, Gastin, dami.
Prepare for war. An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack.
Naglalag ako.
Yan, Renz, nakita ko na. Nadagdagan ng isa yung subscriber natin. Teka, low battery pala ako.
An enemy has been slain. For the people, I shall never back down. An ally turret is under attack.
Saan ka pupunta? Kanina ka pa ah.
Shut down. Request backup. An ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Basag tayo.
Retreat. Launch attack.
Basag tayo, Brad. Dito, dito. Basag muna bago yung ano.
Abyssal demon.
Basag muna tayo.
Doomed to perish.
Basag na mabilis. Basag lang.
Your team destroyed a turret. You have slain an enemy.
Saan ka pupunta? Mag-dragon ka pa.
Slain.
Sana? Ay, dalawa. Wait lang.
Women warriors, show your teeth.
Talod yung kalaban.
For the people, I shall never back down.
Naglo-lord? Teka, nandyan na ako. Dead yan, Brad. Sana?
Initiate retreat.
Reset nyo lang. Okay lang yan. Reset nyo lang.
I will find you, my dear brother. Request backup. Abyssal demons, you are doomed to perish.
Patayan, patayan.
Mega kill! An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Lord, 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 Lord. Lord tayo, Lord.
Lord na, Lord.
Lord na, Lord na.
The light shall be my
Para matapos na.
sword.
Sino yung natitira sa kanila? Si Hanzo. Baka sumulpot bigla ah.
Prepare for war. An ally has slain Lord. The Lord of light, we dance with God. An enemy has been slain. Our turret is under attack. I shall never back down. The light shall be my sword. If you want peace, prepare for war.
Okay, kunin mo pani yung red.
Abyssal demons, you are doomed to perish.
Nakapupunta, Brad!
Team destroyed a turret.
Patay na! Nice!
Slain. Killing spree.
Tap. Tulungan natin yung Lord.
Shut down. Banyan warriors, show your teeth. Your team destroyed a turret. My faith is rock solid. An enemy has been slain.
Basag na. Lock, tower lock. Ayos. Enjoy na yung game natin kahit technical difficulties tayo nung una.